She's not happy. She's helping me empty the gas tank out of the Buick.
Wife's not happy because the wife was in the middle of doing something.
Anyway. So I'm emptying the gas tank. I'm actually removing most of the wiring that I don't need. And before I continue, I would like to have this tank empty. And yeah, here's my little rigging of that. You can hear that, but it's actually sucking in air. Pretty sure this thing had a full tank when I parked it. Oh man, that's just a 255. Wow. All right, let's not make a mess. Sure. Well, I'm over here barbecuing, and that thing finally leaves my vicinity. Never once again will I like to see that thing. And I'm over here burning my hot dogs. You're gonna love these hot dogs. They
Oh my.
oh yeah, oh my. Slight miscalculation. That address right there is priceless. 2020 common testing. I'll just voice over that. Anyways, folks, welcome back to another video. This is going back to one of those little short ones. I'm actually getting some traction on this one. I've removed the wiring. I'm removing fuel lines, brake lines. All of that is coming out now. The other thing is that I am tearing down, or well, I already tore down the wiring harness. This was my stock wiring harness. It's a little bits and pieces. I'm thinking I might make a couple videos going over the different color wires and stuff. Something that amazes me with the factory harness is how many terminals or how many joints there is. How many, what do you call it? Just clusters of wires just all crimped together. And it amazes me that these things seem to work with them because some of these terminals are very bad. Like they're being held by one or two strands out of the whole wire. That's actually what killed my fuel pump. I don't know if you remember that video back when I went to Texas. But anyway, so what I did here is that I saved the harness side that has the AC and the signals for the speed from the dash, the lockup for the torque converter, all those ones. I saved those, and then I removed everything that was engine related that the Holly will be taking over. That way, made it easier on myself. And then I decided to remove some of the connectors so I could show you the different wires. But again, that'll be in another video. But yeah, so on this one, pretty much what's gonna happen now is I'm gonna try to clear all this stuff out, clean up the frame, paint it. I'm actually at the point where I want to take the body off of the frame, but I know if I do that, I'm done. It's going to be forever and a day until I put it back together. So I am trying to avoid doing that. So yeah, once I get this frame cleaned up, I'm actually going to stab the engine and transmission in there, get it in place. Well, actually, after fuel lines are ran and the brake lines are done, and then go from there. I'm actually reconsidering keeping the AC and keeping the power steering, so I'm kind of glad that I didn't remove those. But at the same time, I'm trying to balance that out with my weight savings. So, I don't know. Take 2 steps forward, 1 step back, then 2 forward, and 1 step back. But I don't know. I just can't seem to make up my mind. I like having this one with AC, and especially right now in the middle of summer is when you start reconsidering removing the AC out of a car. But you never know. Fall time comes around and starts turning into that nice, cool weather again, and I may go back to thinking that I'm going and remove the AC. So I don't know. But otherwise, that's it for this update. Again, I'm starting to make these videos pretty short because it seems to be that's like the good attention span that I have for my viewers. So hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe, hit the like button. So this hurricane's passing by, and I have a small river flowing in the back of my house. Little rapids. You actually see white water. Never actually seen the water that high. That's like 10 feet deep. I got a feeling we're going to lose the bridge today.